Hello friends, welcome to our channel CBSE English The Topper's Choice. In today's video, we are going to discuss multiple choice questions of class 9th 4th lesson, A Truly Beautiful Mind. Here we go. Question number 1. Whose genius still reigns after 50 years of his death? Options are M.K. Gandhi, Nehru, Stephen or Einstein, and the right answer is Einstein. Question number 2. Whose name has become synonymous with genius? Options are Einstein's name, Gandhi's name, Wright brothers or all, and the correct answer is Einstein's name. Question number 3. When was Einstein born? And the options are on 14th March 1879, on 10th March 1878, on 14th March 1877, or on 14th March 1875. And the correct answer is on 14th March 1879. Question number 4. Where was Einstein born? Options are Bulgaria, Ulm, Georgia or none. Correct answer is Ulm. Question number 5. What did Albert's mother think of him? Options are he was a born genius, he is intelligent, he will rule the world, or Albert was a freak. And the correct answer is Albert was a freak. Question number 6. What did Albert's classmates call him? Options are a genius, dull, brother boring or stupid. And the correct answer is brother boring. Question number 7. By what age did Einstein not learn to speak? Options are 3.5 years, 4.5 years, 5.5 years, or 2.5 years. And the right answer is 2.5 years. Next, question number 8. How many times did Einstein utter a word when he learned to speak? Options are thrice, 4 times, once or twice. And the right answer is twice. Question number 9. What did Einstein love to play with? Options are plastic toys, mechanical toys, friends or none. And the right answer is mechanical toys. Question number 10. What did the school headmaster say about Einstein? Options are he would be a genius, he is great, he can't be a success at anything, or none. And the right answer is he can't be a success at anything. Question number 11. When did Einstein begin to learn playing the violin? Options are at the age of 7, at the age of 8, at the age of 9, or at the age of 6. And the correct answer is at the age of 7. Question number 12. Where did Einstein score good marks in all the subjects? Options are at Munich in a school, at Switzerland, at Italy, or none. The right answer is at Munich in a school. Question number 13. Why did Einstein leave the school? Options are for good, he had clash with the teachers, he didn't like discipline and order in the school, or all. And the right option is all. Question number 14. When did Einstein's family move to Munich? Options are when he was 15 months old, when he was 12 months old, when he was 14 months old or when he was 16 months old? And the correct option is when he was 15 months old. Question number 15. Where did Einstein wish to continue his study? Options are German, Munich, Switzerland or none. And the right answer is Switzerland. Question number 16. Why did Einstein decide to continue his study in Switzerland? Options are it was good city, it was more liberal than Munich, he liked the place or all. And the right option is it was more liberal than Munich. Question number 17. In which subjects was Einstein gifted and interested? Options are English and history, mathematics and physics, mathematics and biology, or physics and English. And the right answer is mathematics and physics. Question number 18. Where did Einstein go after school? Options are to a university in Zurich, to a university in Munich, to a university in German, or to a university in Switzerland. And the correct answer is to a university in Zurich. Question number 19. What did Einstein call Mileva Maric? Options are clever creature, silly, a Dumbo, or a good lady. And the correct answer is clever creature. Question number 20. Why did Mileva Maric come to the university at Zurich? And the options are it was the only university which gave degrees to women. It was a good university. It was near her city, or she liked the place. And the correct answer is it was the only university which gave degrees to women. Question number 21. With whom did Einstein fall in love? Options are a girl from Munich, Mileva Maric, a girl from Germany, or none. And the correct answer is Mileva Maric. Next, question number 22. When did Einstein complete his graduation? Options are 1912, 1900, 1901 or 1978. And the right answer is 1900. Question number 23. At what age did Einstein do his graduation? Options are at 21 years of age, at 22 years of age, at 23 years of age, or at 24 years of age. And the correct answer is at 21 years of age. Question number 24. When did Einstein secure a job? Options are 1901, 1903, 1902 or 1904. And the correct answer is 1902. Next question. Before securing a job, what did Einstein do and which theory did he give to the world? Options are worked as a mechanic. He gave the theory of light. Worked as a teaching assistant and gave private lessons. He gave the theory of mass and energy. Played violin. He invented the phone. Or none. And the correct answer is worked as a teaching assistant and gave private lessons. He gave the theory of mass and energy. Next, question number 26. What does this lesson, A Truly Beautiful Mind, speak about? Options are beauty of the mind, beauty of the world, the life of Einstein, or none. And the correct answer is the life of Einstein. Question number 27. When was Einstein awarded with the Nobel Prize? And the options are 1938, 1956, 1945 or in 1921 for his contributions to physics. And the correct answer is in 1921 for his contributions to physics. Question number 28. What is the message of this lesson? Options are: a beautiful mind not only creates beautiful ideas but also to use them for the welfare of the humanity. Or always think big. Or be like Einstein. Or win a Nobel Prize. And the correct answer is a beautiful mind not only creates beautiful ideas but also to use them for the welfare of the humanity. Question number 29. Which destruction is referred to in the lesson? A. Destruction of inventions. B. Destruction of authoritarians. C. Destruction caused by the atom bombs at Hiroshima and Nagasaki. And D. None. And the right answer is destruction caused by the atom bombs at Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Question number 30. Why has the author referred to the late speaking age of Einstein? And the options are: to show that apparently his growth rate was slower than the children of his age, to show that he was a slow learner, to show his disability, or none. And the right answer is to show that apparently his growth rate was slower than the children of his age. So dear friends, if you have liked this video, please click on like, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get more videos. Thank you very much for watching.